Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to create a pedometer app with the help of MIT App Inventor. So let's get started. I'll name the project as Pedometer. Okay. Okay. Then I'll have to create a design for the app to look like. Okay. Then I'll make the screen background color red. You can choose any color you like. Okay. Then I'll drag a vertical arrangement from here. Then I'll make the alignment of the screen as center 3 and center 2. Okay. And the alignment of the vertical arrangement should be the same. Okay. Height will be 125 pixels. Okay. And width will be 150 pixels. Okay. Yeah, that's right. Okay. I'll make the background color as yellow so it matches the color scheme. Okay. I'll drag a button here and the text for the button will be start walking. Okay, start walking. Text alignment should be center and the text color would be yellow and font will be bold. I want the text size to be 25. Okay, and I have to make the background color cyan. Does it look nice? Yeah, that looks nice. Okay, I'll make the background color orange. Okay, so that overlaps it. Okay. Okay, it will be fine. Now I'll make this vertical arrangement visible to false for now, and then I'll add one more vertical arrangement here, and we'll make it same as the first one, and then height will be 150 pixels and width will also be 150 pixels. Okay, now we'll add a label here. This label will show the text as steps. Okay, text alignment should be center, text color should be yellow, background color should be black, and I'll make the font size 25 and font bold. Okay, now that looks nice. Okay, and now I'll add a normal text box here. So this text box will show the text 0 for now because it will get the pedometer steps when we will start the pedometer coding. Okay, 25. Okay, and make the text color. Let the text color remain this and center alignment. Okay, and now I'll add one more label here that will show the distance. Okay, distance. Okay, text alignment center, text color yellow, background color black, font bold, font size 25. Okay, now that's fine. And now one more text box here. The text will be 0, text color would be yellow, background color would be black and font bold, and the text size will be the background color. The background color black doesn't look nice. I'll make cyan and let the text color be red. Okay, now that's fine. And make the text size 25 and then align it to the center. Okay, I'll do the same edits like that. Cyan. Okay, now that looks nice. Okay, we have designed it, and now I'm going to add a button, and the text for this button will be reset. This button mainly has a function of resetting the steps and distance. Okay, the font size should be 25, font bold. Let's make it rounded. Okay, that will look nice. Center alignment, text color red, and orange. Okay, now that looks nice. Let's make another button. The button text will be back. This button will take us back to the home screen where the pedometer will be there. Okay, now let's make it font bold. Let's make it font size 25, background color orange, center alignment and red. Okay, let's make it rounded too. Now we'll add them to the vertical arrangement here. Okay, now we'll determine the height of the vertical arrangement, and that will be fill parent. Okay, so now it shows everything here, right? And the width will also be fill parent. Okay, now it looks nice. Okay, I'll make the background color as yellow. No, it doesn't look nice. I'll make the background color red. Okay, now that looks a lot good. Okay, so I'll make this I'll rename this vertical arrangement as steps screen. Enter, and I'll name this as start screen. Enter. Now I'll make the step screen non-visible and start screen visible, and now we have to add a label here. This label will say the text as pedometer. Okay, and now the font size I want it to be 72. No, that was a lot big. 50. Now that's fine. Okay, font bold, background color yellow, text color red. Yeah, now that is nice. Okay, so let's start the coding now. I'll add it here. Okay, and make the width as fill parent. Okay, now that is fine. Now we'll do the coding now. As you can see, I'll rename the components. This text box name will be steps. This text box is on the star. This text box is on the step screen, so we won't be able to see it now. And this would be distance, and this button is reset. This button is back, and the button on the start screen is start. Okay, now we are good to go. We are good to go. Blocks. In the block section, we'll do when screen 1 initialize to set steps screen visible, and then start screen visible, and now then we'll add start screen visible to true and step screen visible to false. Okay, and then we'll add okay, now I'll add a pedometer. I forgot to add a pedometer here. In the sensors column, there's the pedometer. Okay, the pedometer is a non-visible component. It won't be visible, but we'll do this stop detection timeout as 10,000, or we'll make it 1 lakh because it depends on the user. Okay, we'll do it as set steps text to set distance text to. Okay, so we'll add 0 0 here, enter, and now I'll duplicate it and add it here. Okay, and now our coding's done. And when screen 1 initialize, we have okay, set distance. Okay, now this is clear. Okay, now we have to do the coding for the start button. Okay, here it is the start button. When start button clicked, set this. Okay, we'll duplicate all of the components, and that will make it okay. And now the step screen should be visible true, because the step screen will be visible when we click start. Okay, now this, and now we'll call pedometer to start. Okay, we'll click on the pedometer icon here and call pedometer start. Here it is. Okay, and now we'll have to make it when pedometer 1 walk step. Okay, then we'll do it set steps to, let's delete this zero block for get walk steps. Okay, and now set distance to, let's delete this zero block, get distance. Okay, now it is fine. And when reset button clicked, okay, where's the reset button here? Here's the reset button. Okay, when reset button click, we'll set steps next to 0 like we did here, and distance next to 0. Okay, and call pedometer reset. This will reset the pedometer. Okay, so the pedometer won't continue from the number of steps that there were before. Okay, when back button click, now we have to code for the back button. Okay, when back button clicked, set steps screen visible to false and set start screen visible to true here. Okay, and then we'll call pedometer to stop, we'll call pedometer to stop, and then we'll call pedometer to reset, so that the pedometer doesn't continue from the steps that there were earlier when we click the start button. Okay, and now it's over. Okay, we have our pedometer here. Let's check the app now if it's working or not. As you can see, the app is working now. I'll click on start walking and the steps are showing. When I click on black, the start screen is showing. When I click on start and I start walking, you can see the steps are increasing. And now when I click on reset, it goes to 0. The app is working fine. Thank you everyone. Hope you like this video. Make sure to subscribe the channel and like the video. Please share and comment.